Pinnock. First of all, what's your assessment on the game today? We got a 1-0 win. I thought we were the better game. How do you see the game?
Yeah, I thought as the game went along, we improved. Obviously, first half, we were trying to figure things out, whether to play short or, to go a bit longer. Obviously, it was difficult, but, I thought in spells we did it well, and, the main thing, we got the result.
What were some of the challenges that Honduras posed to the team today, and how did you guys, overcome them?
Well, I think, they kind of sat in a bit of a deep block, so they're kind of waiting for that ball into the middle. So then I think obviously playing a bit longer, going a bit more direct helped us stretch it a bit. And then from there, once we get the ball in their third, then we let the attacking players try and do their thing. And, obviously that's where the goal come from as well. Good play from Bobby and Dimmy, and yeah.
You played the ball to Bobby, which, after the goal I said to everybody, you were overlooking that pass. How does it feel to be involved in a goal-scoring action?
Yeah, no, it feels good. Obviously, being a centre-back, you're not often involved, so to play my part in the goal is important, but to get the clean sheet was even more so important personally, and I'm happy we managed to get a clean sheet as well.
And finally, you missed the Gold Cup. I hope everything is started, but it's the first time back in the stadium. How was the support tonight? Did you feel the support from the crowd? And overall, how was the environment, playing a Nations League game?
Yeah, it was really enjoyable. My first time playing in front of the fans here. Obviously, I played a couple of times, but during COVID and stuff, so there were no fans. And, we really felt the energy. Obviously, the whole game didn't go the way we wanted to, but that's going to happen in football. But, in spells, we done well, and, you could feel the energy from the crowd. The boys really enjoyed it, and yeah, it was a really positive experience overall.
No, you weren't available for the Gold Cup. You're back. What was the transition like getting back into the squad tonight? Was it seamless?
Yeah, familiar with a lot of the boys there. Obviously, they understood my position. Obviously, I wasn't able to travel out, but coming back in, I think the group's got really close now. Over the camps that I've been involved, we can feel the tightness and the bond coming really well, and yeah, it felt good to be back with the boys.
And a quick transition, you're back at Brentford. What's the aim for this season? David Raya's gone. What's it like adjusting to a new goalkeeper?
Yeah, I think Mark's come in, done really well. He's been really comfortable with his feet, really vocal, and we've helped make him feel really welcome and settled. And our aims, we don't really put a position where we want to finish each season. We just go out every game trying to win, and trying to get as many points as possible and see where that takes us.
What's it like for
With
Thomas Frank?
Yeah, he's a great coach, he's a great manager. The players are comfortable with him on a personal level, and he knows how to get the best out of us.
Thank you, Fred.
Thank you, guys.
Respect.